Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. I am not in Hong Kong. I am in front of the Stoke store in beautiful, blustery, snowy Seoul, Korea. It's actually the Winter Olympics. You can see Korean flags on all the little flagpoles here. And I'm actually here for work for a couple days, and it started snowing tonight. And I happen to be passing the Stoke store near my Airbnb, and I thought I'd definitely have to stop and give an update because no new video this week except for this one because I'm just way too busy. I'm actually getting on a plane tomorrow morning, flying to Japan, and then we're on to New Zealand. And I have a really big surprise and big news for you guys. Those of you who've been watching my channel since the beginning know that I never show my kid's face on this channel. I always mosaic his face up. I wanted to protect his privacy, you know, trying to not put him all over the internet. But some things have changed, and I've decided to show his face because my kid has actually become a, I guess, professional child model. He's actually been in a couple commercials already, and they've already come out. And I figure, you know, people are seeing him, so I might as well take credit for how cute my kid is. At least I think he's cute. So I figure if my kid's face is all over the internet and TV, there's no point in me really protecting his privacy just on my channel. So here's the big reveal. This is before, and this is after. So believe it or not, just in the last 2 months, he's actually done 2 commercials that have already come out. One was for Huggies and one was for McDonald's, so both like international brands. These are Hong Kong ads only, but still pretty cool. So here's the Huggies one, really short.
Huggies 全港級量 No.1 品牌，配合水型鎖水科技，瞬間吸收，防回滲 ，BB 舒服如媽咪抱抱。Huggies 全港級量 No.1 品牌。
And here's the McDonald's one. This was a big New Year's campaign. My kid is in there for like literally half a second, but it's still really cool.
How wonderful life is. How you're in the world. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not.
So as you can see, my lens is getting all covered in snow and my fingers are freezing, so I gotta go back inside. Thanks everyone for your support, and I've got a really, really exciting update to come from my next stop, which will be in New Zealand, and you can guess why I'm going to New Zealand. So I want to thank everyone for your support. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. As you know, YouTube has demonetized channels with less than 1,000 subscribers, and although I get a lot of views from my product unboxings, I don't get a lot of subscribers. So I really need your guys' support. If you can help me out, that'd be really cool. Okay, it's getting worse with the snow, so I am definitely gonna go inside. Okay, thanks everyone, bye. So freezing. I wish I had my Stoke scoot. I want to crawl inside a Stoke scoot to stay out of the snow.